Hello everybody, my name is Austris, and today I'm going to be talking about an advanced horn technique, the multiphonics. What is the multiphonics? Multiphonics is basically playing more than one voice at a time. Sounds pretty cool, but how can you achieve this? And it is a little bit more difficult than it seems. The first time when I tried to master this technique, I was still in music school. I think I was around 12, so it's pretty young, but I remember it took me almost an hour to get a decent sound out. What you basically need to do is you need to play the lower voice and you need to sing the higher voice. The first step, what you need to do, is try just singing the upper voice through the horn, and at the same time press the key of the notes that you need to play on the lower voice. The next step, what you need to do is play the note from the lower voice and then just add step one. Try to add the singing voice on top of that. And this step takes a bit longer, it takes some getting used to. There are a couple of technical things that went wrong when I was learning this. When I add the voice on top of the note and that I'm playing, the intonation of the lower note drops drastically. Then you have to compensate this with the tongue. So that's it. I hope I explained this technique to you clearly. Please leave in the comment what you think about this technique and did you encounter any problems that I haven't yet discovered. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for further videos.